Welcome to one of Miami's hidden gems, the Falls. No, this is not a national park, but it's a tropical escape wrapped in retail therapy. This open-air shopping paradise first opened its doors in the 1980s, and I visited in 1984. That's 41 years ago. The mall was built on what used to be a limestone quarry. Crazy, right? With lush walkways and the sound of shopping bags rustling in the breeze. Over the years, the Falls has grown into more than just a shopping center, with over 100 stores from Apple to Pandora. It's got that perfect mix of big names and boutique vibes. And it's not just about what you can buy, it's where families come to hang out. You can grab a bite at the numerous establishments for food and even catch a movie. Where Bloomingdale's once stood, you'll now find Lifetime Fitness, a luxury gym that's more like a wellness resort. It's Miami, so you know that the workouts even have to include palm trees. What makes the Falls special isn't just the shops or the scenery, it's the vibe. It's calm, it's lush, it's kind of magical, and it's still evolving. So whether you're visiting or local, come for the shopping, stay for the peace. This is the Falls, Miami style. I hope you enjoyed this little tour of the Falls with me and my family. This is Mariah Wattsworth. See you in the next video.
What did you get on Danny?
A very sweet coffee ice cream.
Please give me a like, comment if you've ever been to the Falls. I would like to know your experience.